Do you have some energy left at the end of the day? And would you like to do something fun related to sustainability? In this tutorial, I will give you some options on what you can do with all your ideas related to creating a better world. Right here, you can find the location of many student associations. And they're all trying to make the world a better place. For example, at Green, they're into business cases. So if you want to perform a consultancy project, check out the Green. If you're into foods, check out the Vegan Student Association. They have weekly dinners together, which are quite fun. And maybe you're here into plants? The Botany Club might be the right fit for you. So there are many more organizations like this that are trying to make a change right here in Nijmegen. Go to the websites and check out what would be the right fit for you. There are also a few political parties here at the Radboud campus that are tackling social and environmental issues in Nijmegen. So if you want to make a change in Nijmegen, check out these political parties. For example, Enactus. With their entrepreneurial mindset, they always find possibilities to make a change. An overview of the most sustainable associations can be found on the Radboud Green Office website. Do you want to make an impact and do you have an idea to make our campus more sustainable? Then contact the Radboud Green Office. Because you have a possibility to execute your idea with our financial and organizational support. For example, the Join the Pipe project was an idea of one of our students, and now you can find these water tap points all over campus. Also for the Radboud Medical Center, you can submit an idea to make a positive change. Would you like to help progress our sustainability policy? Netwerk Duurzame Ontwikkeling meets up every 4 months to discuss topics that its members find interesting. The network is open for everyone who works or studies at the Radboud University. Do you want to make a positive impact on our campus? Then contact the Radboud Green Office and we can tell you exactly which student organization might fit your interest or how you can submit your ideas to make a change. So go to our website or check out our socials.